Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to make a Christmas surprise fold. So to start off with this, we're going to just fold our paper in half, kind of like you're going to make a card. So just line up the corners, and then just press it down here and just make a nice fold so that it can open like this. Then, once you're done with that, I'm going to take this, and I'll turn it this way, and I'm going to fold down this front flap to the bottom of here, and then just fold it straight across, and that will create a nice little open fold for us. And you can always turn it this way too so that you can open it up from the top. I always like to do it this way, but it's your choice. So, we're going to make a little Christmas present. So, very easy. Starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes straight down. Started right there at the fold. And then I'm going to do the same thing over on this side. Just draw a line that's just going to go straight down. Then I want to make a line that's just going to go right across here. So it looks like a rectangle. Now, starting right here, or I should say right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go up a little bit. You can see I started a little bit farther out than here. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to draw a line that's going to start out a little bit and it's going to go straight up here. Then I'm going to turn my paper like this, and right along the fold, I'm just going to make a straight line like this. Be careful not to draw up against the fold. And then I'm going to just draw a nice line that goes across here. So it kind of looks like I have two rectangles. Now I want to put a bow on top of this. So really easy, we're just going to make a little half circle shape. And then I'm going to draw a little line that goes up and then down, kind of like I'm making a triangle. And then another one that goes up and down. And then I'm going to draw two little lines on each side. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and I'm going to draw it all the way down to here. And then I want to do the same thing on this side. Just go down, and then draw right down to here. Then on the end here, I'm going to draw, or I'll put it right up here, I'm going to draw a little line, and I'm going to make a rectangle shape right on top of this. And then inside of here, I'm going to write "from" on the top, and then I'm going to put Santa in all caps on the bottom. So now when we open this up, we have a Christmas present with the top up here and the bottom down here. So you can see why I said be careful. I got a little bit of marker on this fold part, but that's okay. When we color it, it'll get covered up. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go up here a little bit, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And then I'm also going to do the same thing here, draw a line that goes up, and then another line that goes up. And then I'm going to turn my paper and just draw a nice straight line across like this. So I did this so that way when I fold this, you can see that, and then when I open it, I have a little bit more room up here. So now I want to fill this up with lots of little things in here, and we're just going to keep it really simple and kind of Christmas themed. So starting in the front here, I'm just going to draw a little gingerbread man. So, starting here, I'm just going to make a circle like this. And then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out, and then it's going to come back in. And then I'm going to draw another one that's going to go out and then come back in like this. And then I'm just going to make two lines that go down. Then I'm going to put a circle right here, and then a circle right here for the eyes. And then I'm going to draw a big smiley face like this. It's kind of like a long, skinny line. I'm going to draw a couple little wavy lines on the ends of the hands. And then I'm going to put some buttons going down the stomach. Now, over here, I want to add a candy cane. So I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to curve down like this, like a hook. Then I'm just going to kind of curve this around, bring it up here, and then just come back down. Then I'm going to add a few little curved lines in here. Now, over here, I'm going to put a little reindeer. So, I'm just going to keep this real simple. I'm going to just draw a big circle right here for the nose. And then I'm going to put 2 circles on each side. I'm going to put 2 little dots in there for eyes. And then I'm just going to draw a curved line around here. And then I'm going to add a curved line around the top of the head. Put a little curved line here and here for the ears. And then for the antlers, I'm just going to draw some little lines that just kind of curve around and just have little bumps. Do the same thing over here. Then I'm just going to, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve in and then go down here. And another one's just going to kind of curve in and come down. And then I'm going to make a little curved line right here for the belly of the deer. And then I'll put some little lines up here for eyebrows. Now over here I want to have like a Christmas tree. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down and then in. And then one on this side that's going to go down and then in. I'm going to put one here that's just going to go down, curve in. Another one right here. I'm going to go right to that reindeer's ear. I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go down right to the top of the gingerbread man. And then one that goes right down here to the reindeer. And then over here, I'm going to continue it, just kind of go out and then in. And then I'm going to draw a little line down. And then I'm going to just kind of draw a little line that just connects it right to here for the bottom. At the top, I'm going to make kind of like a little W shape. And then 2 little points on the ends. And then a little point on top for the star. And then I'm going to add a little face on the tree. I'm going to put 2 circles right here for eyes. And then I'm going to put 2 little circles inside and then just kind of color these in. And then I'm going to make a little mouth. And I'm going to make the mouth open like this so it's really happy. And then I'm just going to put some circles on it like this for some ornaments. Give it some eyebrows too. I'm going to put a few more circles around here. Then, up here, the last thing I want to do is I want to draw I'll put another candy cane up here just so we can kind of fill out some more. Actually, before we do that, let's do one over here. I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go over here, kind of goes down for a candy cane. Then I'm just going to kind of curve it around to here. Put some more curved lines on here. And then right up here, I'm going to draw just a little tiny elf. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little circle here and then a little circle here for eyes. I'm going to put 2 little pupils inside of here. And then a little nose. I'm going to give him a little mouth and then a line that comes down like this with a little tongue in it. Then I'm going to draw a big line across that goes all the way up to here, to our present. Little line that kind of curves up and down, and another one that curves up and down here for the ears. And then a little smiley face that just kind of comes across. Then right here, I'm going to draw like a really long little elf hat with a little circle at the end for a bell. And then I'm just going to add some little stripes on here. Then I'm going to make a little zigzag line right down here. Going to make it pop out over there. And then draw a little kind of rectangle line for an arm. And then I'm going to put a little curved line for a thumb and then a bigger curved line for a little mitten. And then I'm just going to make a little line that curves down here to make it look like he's kind of hiding behind the tree. And there you go. There is your little Christmas surprise fold. When you fold it up, it's going to look like a little Christmas present. And then when you open it up, it's got lots of stuff inside of there. And there's always more things you can add and try some different things. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.